The Ultra series by Xiaomi is known for crazy specifications, and the last year's Xiaomi 12S Ultra was one such phone. Its main highlight was the primary camera, which had a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor. If you do not know, this is the largest smartphone camera sensor ever by Sony. The Xiaomi 13 series was launched back in December last year, which included the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro. The Xiaomi 13 Pro even had the same 1-inch camera sensor as the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So far, we haven't got any Xiaomi 13 Ultra, but that is happening pretty soon. In fact, Xiaomi 13 Ultra is set to launch this month itself, and it has been officially announced by Xiaomi. Today, we got the renders of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which reveal the design of the phone from all the angles. Do note that these are not the official renders of the phone, but still the source is OnLeaks, who is one of the most trusted sources for all sort of smartphone leaks. As we can see, this time as well, the main focus is on the camera module. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra has a large circular camera module on the back, and this time Xiaomi went with a quad camera setup compared to a triple camera setup on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. The back has a leather texture that gives the phone a premium look and feel. The sides of the phone are flat, which is interesting because there is a curved screen. Now, one reason for this could be the thickness. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 9.57mm thick when we don't include the camera module. This means the phone is thicker than the 9.1mm Xiaomi 12S Ultra. And when we do include the camera module, the thickness becomes 15.61mm, which is again more than the 13.5mm thickness of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Now, one reason could be a larger battery. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra had a 4860 mAh battery, so we can expect at least a 5000 mAh battery in the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. The phone is expected to have the same 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor for the primary camera as the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. It is also rumored that the other three cameras on the back also have 50MP sensors, making it a one-of-a-kind quad 50MP camera setup. Well, the specifications are not yet confirmed, and we also don't know at what price this would launch in the global market. Anyways, what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.